GM guys, we all know that one way to make money on the Web3 space is through airdrops, and one way airdrops are given to participants is when you participate and engage with projects and protocols, services, and products. Okay, and I'm bringing on Alpha to you today. Very simple Alpha. All you need is your Solana wallet, and the first thing you need to do if you are a newbie is to get your Solana wallet. So if you're using your PC, just come to your browser here if you don't have a Solana wallet and download the Phantom wallet extension. Once you download the Phantom wallet extension, you will see add to Chrome here, then add it to Chrome. Okay. So once you have done with that, set up your wallet and save your seed phrase somewhere, because whenever you lose it, you need that seed phrase to get your wallet back. So once you are done, all you need to do is to copy your wallet address. Okay, so let me open the wallet address. Click on receive and you copy your Solana wallet address. Then you come to this website called solfaucet.com. Okay, so you paste your wallet address here and you click on testnet. All right, so they are going to drop you one SOL. So it is this particular token that we are going to be using for this next update. Okay, so you'll be needing at least two SOL for this next update. So once you are done with claiming SOL, I think you can claim for 2 days. Once you've claimed two SOL, you have two SOL, two testnet SOL for 2 days. You come to this website. All right, let me log out so you can see how it appears. Okay, so this is the website testnet.toby.foundation. Then you click on connect wallets. You connect your Phantom wallet, which is very simple, and you click on confirm. So if you are using a mobile phone, just download the Phantom wallet app. All right, and at the bottom right corner you will see the browser. Just click on it and paste this. Okay, I'll drop the link. Once you are done, you can enter your email address and subscribe for emails and other notifications. Once you are done, just click on access Toby. Then you'll be taken to this dashboard. All right, in your case, you'll be having zero available unless you have claimed from testnet.toby. Okay, so the thing you need to do here is just to stake and unstake. Okay, so once you have about two SOL or more, you come here and enter the amount of SOL that you want to stake. Let's say you have two, so you enter two SOL, you see the amount in TSOL, then you click on liquid stake. So once you click on liquid stake, you can see, because I do not have SOL, it's not going. So it's going to pop up a confirmation message, just like the one that came up when I wanted to connect. Then I click on confirm. All right, then I've staked over two SOL. Then once you are done staking, you can come and unstake. Click on unstake here. Okay, then there's regular staking. So you have to input the amount right here. So let's say you want to unstake 1.2. The minimum to unstake here is 1. Okay, so you can do 1 SOL and above. All right, then you click on unstake here. Once you click on unstake here, it will pop up the wallet confirmation here, then you confirm. All right, so once you've done that, there will be a countdown. You come to your dashboard here. All right, so once you come to your dashboard here, you see your amounts here. Okay, you see everything here. Then you see a countdown to when you can claim the unstaked SOL. So this is where you unbond. Okay, so once you unbond, you're going to be having the SOL here. So you come back to liquid staking, you stake again, you unstake, you stake. That's just everything you need to do here. Okay, so once you've unstaked, your countdown will come here. As you can see, mine is 0. Then you can just click on claim. So I'm going to show you the pop-up that I told you about. So it's just for you to sign a transaction. Okay, then you click on confirm. So basically that is how it works. You might be having hiccups because this is testnet. Some transactions will not go, some will go, but just be calm. That is how it works on here sometimes. Okay, so once you've done the to and fro, you can just screenshot this particular wallet and head over to Toby's Discord server. All right, so once you head over to Toby's Discord server, you can go to the testnet and drop the screenshot and also comment on your experience. Okay, so this is Toby Discord server. You click on accept invite. All right, so once you click on accept invite, it's going to take you to this page. Then you need to verify. So if you don't have a Discord account, you need to create one. As a Web3 enthusiast or a Web3 farmer, you need your Discord server, your Discord account, Twitter account, Telegram account. Those things are very, very important, and your crypto wallet, your Phantom wallet, and your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so in your own case, this will not actually show up. You would see right here, you see something like verify. So once you verify, that's when these channels are going to show up. So all you need to do is to come here to testnet feedback, then paste the screenshots here. All right, once you paste the screenshots here, okay, you can see I'm having an error here. Let me just take a screenshot. How do I take that screenshot again? I think FNS also. I don't know how to take a screenshot here again. But once you take the screenshots, I think that's alternatives. You paste it here. You can see what these people are doing. They paste the screenshot of their dashboard. And you can see stake and unstake error claim is not working, which is the same error I'm also facing. I also faced here. Okay. So basically, that's just all you need to do on Toby Testnet. Stake, unstake, rinse, and repeat. Right. So that's the end of today's video. If you love alpha like this, do not to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this, like and comment your thoughts. I'll see you in my next video.